What's up, everybody? This is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about the best investing and breaking news with everything under the moon in the crypto universe. Today, we're going to be talking about Ethereum and possibly some price predictions that could happen in the near or long-term future. Right now, Ethereum is trading around 2,277, up 1.98%. This is actually kind of great. As you can tell, over the past 7 days, Bitcoin has definitely been reaching, back to its near 40,000 resistance level. We're trying to break out of that. And usually when Bitcoin goes up, so does Ethereum, as everything follows Bitcoin. And a lot of interesting things that we're going to share today. We're going to look at some charting and some articles that kind of share the projections of where Ether should be by the end of the year and maybe in the next 5 to 10 years. So let's dive right into it. So after looking at some of the charting, we used a Fibonacci retracement. And as you can tell, right now we're kind of stuck within like the 22,000 range. And we're trying to break out of that. And as you can tell, this was May and it dipped down. And, this is on the daily chart. So I think it's just a matter of maybe a few weeks, maybe even less than that we break out of this. And our next goal is to reach around the 2,700 range. And, right now it's looking very positive. The support level of 1,700 was there. It bounced right back up. And it's looking like it's just ready to break out. Along with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is also ready to break out as well, near the 40,000 resistance. So, I think that's really interesting. Now, if we look at the fear and greed index for crypto, right now it's at 50, and it used to be around 26, and before that it used to be around like 32. So right now people are almost starting to get greedy, but keep in mind, like right now it's at 50, and it's because people are starting to realize that Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are starting to, come back up again. And, a lot of the FUD, aka, the fear, uncertainty, and doubt is starting to kind of wither away. So, right now with a bargain of 2,278, I think if you just dollar cost average, or if you have, enough funds in your account that you feel like it's enough to, to be lost, it's not like too much to sacrifice, then I say, I think you should definitely have an investment in this in your portfolio, considering that it's the second largest cryptocurrency in the crypto marketplace. So, let's share this article that I found that I thought was really interesting today. ETH trading volume grew much faster than Bitcoin in the first half of 2021. Trading volumes for ETH increased by 1,461% over the first half of 2021. Now, taking data from 20 exchanges across the globe, the report revealed that the trading volume for Bitcoin reached 2.1 trillion for the period, up 489% from 356 billion over the first half of the year. Ether's ETH total trading volume reached 1.4 trillion, but its growth was much faster, up 1,461% from 92 billion in the first half of 2020. Coinbase remarked that it has been the first sustained period of time ever that Ether's trading pace exceeded Bitcoin's. It noted that the bulk of Bitcoin's gains came during Q4 2020 and Q1 of 2021. Before the crypto's assets price declined in Q2 2021, it is currently trading down 38.8% from its April 13th all-time high of 65,899. Ether, on the other hand, saw the majority of its gains in Q2 2021 when it doubled in the price to reach an all-time high of 4,357 on May 12th. However, it has retreated an even deeper 47.4% to current levels. The second most valuable crypto asset appreciated 895% over the 12-month period and 210% over the 6-month period ending June 30th. Coinbase attributed a number of factors to this, including increased usage in the decentralized finance, investor optimism in the network's transition to proof of stake, and the rise of the layer 2 scaling solutions of the network. In January, Cointelegraph predicted that Ether will become the main asset for investors in 2021. Now, I think this article is very bullish. I mean, if you just consider that the interest in Ethereum has grown this year, it has grown substantially. And as much as people would like to see ETH flip Bitcoin, it could possibly happen. It could, even if for just a second, for just a moment, even if it's a day, that time could come. And I don't think that that's too hard to believe. The fact that ETH has had that much trading volume in Q2 2021 is very strong. And this is why people think that, yes, maybe in 5 years, Ethereum, in this article, states that it could reach 18,000. But there are some other technical analysis TA people out there that are predicting that by 2022 of August, that it would reach 18,000. And if we look back on the all-time high back in May, it did reach around 4,000. So I think by the end of this year, we should be back up not only by 4,000, but I predict that it would be up around 10,000. Another expert finds that Ethereum will reach 4.5K this year, 18K in 2025, and we'll dive deep into what he means by that. So experts bullish about Ethereum in short term. Finder, an investing companion app, releases Ethereum price prediction poll results, which reveal bullish sentiment for the present of the future of Ethereum. 27 of 42 experts that gave their opinions in Finder's poll expect Ethereum to be at 4,596 by December 31, 2021. Again, I think it will go much higher than that, and that's just a realistic point of view, but maybe the lowest point out there. In terms of the bullish long term, most of the experts are also bullish regarding Ethereum's long-term performance. The average prediction of the panel signals Ethereum will reach $17,810 in 2025. Again, that's very conservative. Trade the Chain co-founder Ryan Gorman believes Ethereum will go up to 100,000 by December 2030. He stresses that the DeFi projects and other applications we have are not even yet considered will continue to be built on Ethereum blockchain, and we'll see rapid growth. This will in turn lead to Ethereum eventually overtaking Bitcoin as the world's most valuable crypto asset. Also, 71% of the consulted experts state that the switch to proof-of-stake Ethereum is planning to make in the future will give it an edge over other proof-of-work based cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, because we all know that Bitcoin's a proof-of-work and it's energy consuming. So Ethereum switching to proof-of-stake will reduce the gas fees and also faster transactions, and there will be a deflation of the tokens, which is kind of, to me, I think really cool, and another reason why the scarcity of Ethereum will make people want to FOMO in at some point. And so I think that's about it, guys. I just wanted to show you a little bit of updates around Ethereum because the hype is there, and we're almost at that point where we're going to break over the 2,300 level. And so I do expect that once we do this, we should be heading upside to the 2,700 level. And I hope that this video has been helpful. And again, dollar cost average, Ethereum is definitely here to stay. It's the largest ecosystem in the blockchain, and a lot of dApps are being built on it. And so, yeah, I hope this has been helpful. And if you guys like what you heard, feel free to leave a comment down below. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time.